Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I've got a really cute tree skirt that was sent to me as a gift to test out in my home and to share with you. Let's check it out. So this is for a smaller tree. I have a big tree here, so it might look a little small once I put it on, but this is just super duper cute. Look at this. Look at the cute little pom-poms around the edges, the fun striped pattern, and it does have Velcro closure, so when we do put it around the tree, it can stay in place. The back is just plain. This is a soft felt-like material. It's got a little bit of a shine to it, which is really fun. So let's put this on the tree. Here we go. Now this is a little bit small. I have a 7.5-foot tree. And so this is probably for a smaller tree. I would say probably maybe 3 to 5 feet. But oh my gosh, it is just like so cute with the little tassels, the little pom-poms. And it really does, it has this sheen to it that just looks so cute and really just so fun for your Christmas decor. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do.